In an auto rotation, maintaining the proper rotor RPM is crucial because it ensures the helicopter's blades continue to generate enough lift and control for a safe descent and landing. The R22 has specific RPM limits. It has a lower limit of 97% and an upper limit of 110%. During auto rotation, you can control the rotor RPM primarily by using the collective pitch. Lowering the collective pitch reduces the pitch of the blades, which allows them to spin faster due to less aerodynamic drag. If the RPM is too high, you can raise the collective slightly to increase the drag and slow the rotor RPM, or adjust the pitch to maintain the optimal RPM. In the R44, the rotor RPMs during auto rotation should also be maintained between 97 and 108 RPM. Similar to the R22, in the 44, you adjust the collective to manage the rotor RPM during auto rotation. Maintaining the rotor RPM within its range ensures that the helicopter remains controllable and can achieve a safe landing. If your RPM drops below the minimum limit, the blades won't generate enough lift, which can lead to a rapid descent and loss of control. If the rotor RPM is too high and exceeds the upper limit, the centrifugal force on the blades increases significantly, which can cause structural stress and potential damage to the rotor system, specifically the blade root itself. So keep in mind, R22 is 97 to 110, R44 is 97 to 108. Managing rotor RPMs in auto rotation, both the R22 and 44, is all about balance. Keeping the blades spinning fast enough to provide control, but not so fast that you risk damaging the helicopter. With practice, maintaining this balance becomes a crucial skill in ensuring a safe landing during auto rotation. If you're ready to dive deeper into the world of helicopters, check out the free Getting Started helicopter course in the description below. And as always, please feel free to like and subscribe.